Welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how do I correctly enter the data inside the data entry job. Here I will show you the 100% well-known method that how do you arrange or collect the data from the website and submit it for the client. So in this video you can see here I have in my previous video I have shown you that how do you correct or collect the data from the website or Google Maps, and here I am showing you the rest of the part and that final output of this data entry sheet. And here I have just used the example job for a real-time experiment. This is basically designed for the real client, and I have partially shown you the data and how do I arrange and how do I collect and how do I select or arrange the data inside the sheet. Because here some of the cases you can see here the particular address, phone number, and address link and the website link. So here I have just used the word like ADDS for the address and the link site link, and the link is used for the LinkedIn link for the CEO of the particular company. So because this client has asked me for the data which I've arranged for the 100 times the reputed company which is inside the London and software based company, and we need to collect the all of the data here you can see. So first of all, the name of the company CEO and the address, then email and the phone number, personal phone number, and the employee number of the company, size of the company, then the website and the LinkedIn link, so where the client will directly connect with this company. So here you can see some of the cases I have some lack of the data and I have restored inside the text pad. So here you can see I have just collect the data and put it on the email link like LinkedIn link and the name. So rest of the cases I have left some website LinkedIn link in this sheet, but I need to change it for the personal CEO LinkedIn link for the particular company, and I have searched it for this, and around 4 to 5 hours I have needed to arrange this all of the data. So this is not a very easy, but the data you can collect with some sources, and the correct sources, if you get the correct sources you will get the correct information for any kinds of company which is objected or which is included inside the word reputed company or the A class B class company. So I will tell you in the next type of video that how do you collect these types of data from the website, and how do you collect particular website, how do you use the particular website to collect the data for like the email, personal email. So because if you go for the personal email you need to open a particular profile account. So in these cases many company CEO use some particular safety precautions data or website where they have used to spread their profile. So from that kinds of link, like one of the link is rocket server. From the rocket server you will get the data from easily using name and company name, the size of the company. These kinds of information will included in this website and you will get the correct data. So in this perspective you can see here I have just recorded the 10 example data, not example, it's a real live data, but I have particularly shown you that how do we collect and arrange the data inside the data sheet. So this is basically process. So here that how do I get this client and how do I submit this work and how many days need to do this job. So I will describe everything. So first of all I have get this client from the Upwork, and from the Upwork I have get this client around 7 days. He have gave me to arrange the data, around 200 data I need to collect at this same process. So around 5 days I have needed to collect the data, and it's all over 12 hours I need to work for this collection of this data, cause if it's wrong, come wrong, so the client will be some bad review they will give. So I need to hard work because this is my first job, and they have paid me after the work around $150 for this 5 days. Okay, so this is little bit complex, but sometimes if you have good review and if you have some over rating on the Upwork or social media account, you will get some, or you will demand around 200 to 200 $300 for this work. But I have do this only under the 150 $150. So this is the end of my tutorial, and here you can see I have just changed the link, because this kinds of link is for the website, but the client's requirement is the particular company's CEO LinkedIn link, like they needs the CEO's personal link. So this is really very hard, little bit hard for me to collect this all of the link or profile. Everything is was little bit difficult, but it's okay for the first time. So here you can see the final output. Already I have entered the mail, link, and the name, company CEO name also. Now rest of the link is here, LinkedIn link is here, so I have just opened the LinkedIn link and collect the company CEO name for enlisting in this sheet. So thanks for watching my video, and rest of the video you should continue, cause just I have need some time to enter the name. Thank you, goodbye for this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and hope you feel so good for this tutorial.